Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix input can't be open, VLC is unable to open the MRL on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are saying the input can't be open on your VLC while playing the video, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. What you have to do, you have to just right click on this video file, then click on properties. Click on the security tab, then click on advanced, then click on add, click on principal, select a principal, then click on advanced. Here you click on find now. In this you need to search for everyone, then click on OK. Just click on check for names, click OK. You have to check mark all these options, then click OK, then click on apply, then click OK. Select everyone, make sure all options are check marked, click on OK again, and try to play this video. Now it will fix. That's it guys. So this way you can fix input can't be opened or VLC is unable to open MRL on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.